Well, the most important words in this debate so far, at least since Wednesday, have been, "You lie." Do you think that outburst by the congressman helps Obama's effort, or
are you really talking about this outburst?
It's not true.
We got a tweet from Fixler who said, Representative Joe Wilson can write a book called How to End a Political Career in 2 words or less. That's Representative Joe Wilson of South Carolina, who's heckled the president during his speech saying, "You lie." Here's Congresswoman Donna Edwards.
Well, I have to tell you, I mean, it was actually really shocking to me. I'm new to the Congress, but I mean, I spent my time as a young kid with my parents taking me to the Congress, valuing the institutions, the House of Representatives, the office of the president, and although Mr. Wilson has apologized to the president, that's a personal apology, and the apology really is to our public institutions and to our democracy, and I think that my view is that he should be censured, and I know that our leadership is, you know, and folks are saying, let's get on with health care. We can get on with health care, but we have to preserve democracy and we have to preserve civility in our institutions because that's part of our national character, and so I'm just deeply disappointed, and I think that if somebody wants to do something bipartisan, there needs to be a bipartisan call for censure of this kind of behavior.
The president turned the other cheek and said that this was a good lesson for us all to disagree without being disagreeable. If you would embroil the House in that type of censure action, wouldn't that distract from the fight for health care?
No,
even as strongly as you might feel for it.
Yeah, I think the long-term value of our democratic institutions and our republic calls for us not to engage in that behavior. There were members of Congress holding up, you know, pieces of paper. A joint session of the United States Congress of this country is not a town hall meeting. And there are rules to be preserved because we're a republic and because we have governing institutions. And I value President Obama as a person, you know, respect my colleagues as people, but I also value the institutions, and I think it does us all great harm when those institutions are put in jeopardy like this. And I feel very, very strongly about this, and I know a number of my colleagues do as well.